Hi guys, welcome to Learn Science with me. So today we're gonna do our grade 6 Science English Medium lesson. This is the 6th lesson of your textbook and I will ask some basic questions about the sound. Let's see if you can answer to these questions. What is sound? Sound is the sense of hearing taken from the sense organ called ear. How is our voice produced? By vibrating objects. What are sources of sound? Give examples. The objects that produce sound are called sources of sound. What are natural sounds? Sounds that we hear in the environment naturally are called natural sounds. What are artificial sounds? The sounds that are made by man are called artificial sounds. What is music? Sounds that are rhythmic are known as music. What are the noises? Sounds that are not rhythmic are known as noises. I think you answered to the questions correctly. Have a nice day and stay safe. See you in the next video.